The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hutchinson County, Hansford County, eastern Sherman County, northwestern Roberts County, western Ochiltree County, northeastern Morse County, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Texhoma to 11 miles northwest of Morse to 11 miles south of Sunray, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Perryton, Spearman, Sunray, Stinnett, Gruver, Morse, Farnsworth, Noaa, Pringle, and Texhoma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Hansford, Hutchinson, Moore, Ochiltree, Roberts, and Sherman.